Good afternoon. This training tape is on the body of letter. In the forms file located on the client list on the left-hand side, in the forms file, you will see all the forms that are available to you. Some of them have a check mark under "Is body of letter used?" What that's telling you is that you can create a body of letter, verbiage, and add it to the form. So when you send the form out, it takes the verbiage that you've added in your body of letter and puts it on the form as part of the form. And I'll show you how to do that in a minute. The other type of body of letter that we have, besides adding verbiage to a form, is our custom letters. The custom letters are basically shells of forms. So if I look at this custom letter to agent, has my logo, has my agent's first name, my name, who it's coming from, dear, and then the name of the agent, and then the signature. You'll notice that the body part of the letter is missing. So this is the shell. You create the body of letter and send it out onto this form when you send your forms. Okay, now how do we create a body of letter? You come up here to look up body of letter, and you will see all the body of letters that you have available that you have created already. If you want to create a new one, you would press Add New, and the first thing you want to do is give it a name. So you can say letter to agent. Okay, so we've given it a name, letter to agent. Now we have to put the text in. If it's a simple letter that you just want to, put in a couple of lines, you can just type it in. But if you want to do anything fancy with the letter, you actually can click to open the text editor. Let's make this a little bigger. And here is a text editor. So what you need to do is replace what you have, this instructions, and then put in your body of letter. You want some spaces. Once you have put in your letter, and you can use any of these buttons, bold, you can change the font, the size of it, you then press the source button. The source will put it in the HTML format. Once that's done, you highlight it, copy it, and then paste it into your body of letter right here. Add the record, and it will put it, if I preview it, with all of the coding in there so that when you send it out, it has all the effects that you have in there. You can hyperlink, you can change the size, you can change the text, anything you want to change. So once you have created this, you then have your letter in the list of body of letters. So you can either, once you press Add New, you either can put in your text if it's something very simple, or you can use your editor and make it a little bit more fancy. Once you've created your body of letter, the way to use it is whether you're using to-dos or you're using action plans. I'll show you both. In the to-dos, when you are creating your to-do, in the second column, you tell it which form. So it would be one of the custom forms that you wanted to put this body of letter on. custom letter to assigned agent, and then underneath, which body of letter you want to put on that form. And you can just pick the letter that you want. So when this email goes out, it'll use the custom letter to assigned agent as a form, and it will put the body of letter that you chose to go on the form. The same thing in your action plans. Let's just pick one. When you're creating your action plans, in the same way, you will say which form you want to send, and then underneath it, what body of letter you want to put on there. So every time you use that action plan, that particular body of letter will be put onto that form to be sent out. So I hope this has been helpful. Of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact one of us and we'll be glad to help. So have a great day.